Hi guys, it's me, and today we're taking a closer look at a display that's built for people who care about both performance and a clean, professional setup. This is a 31.5-inch 4K monitor that focuses on delivering a smooth, sharp, and highly efficient experience whether you're working, creating, or just enjoying content. Starting with the design, it keeps things simple and refined. The bezels are extremely thin, giving you that edge-to-edge look that feels modern and immersive. The matte finish keeps reflections under control, and the overall build feels sturdy without being bulky. It fits naturally into almost any workspace, whether it's minimal or fully loaded. The stand is another highlight. It's fully adjustable, so you can raise, lower, tilt, and swivel the display to match your exact preference. That flexibility is important, especially if you spend long hours in front of the screen. Comfort plays a huge role in productivity, and this monitor makes it easy to get right. Once you turn it on, the clarity immediately stands out. The 4K Ultra HD resolution spread across 31.5 inches gives you a ton of space to work with. Text is crisp, images are detailed, and everything just looks clean. It's perfect for multitasking, allowing you to open multiple windows side by side without feeling limited. One of the standout features here is the 120 Hz refresh rate. This adds a noticeable level of smoothness to everyday tasks. Scrolling feels faster, animations are more fluid, and even simple navigation becomes more enjoyable. It's not just for gamers anymore, it genuinely improves the overall desktop experience. The display uses IPS Black technology, which enhances contrast and delivers deeper blacks compared to standard IPS panels. Colors are accurate and consistent, making this a strong choice for creative work like photo editing, video production, or design. It handles color reproduction in a way that feels natural and reliable. HDR support is included as well, giving you better highlights and improved depth in supported content. It's not overly dramatic, but it adds that extra layer of visual quality when watching videos or working with HDR media. Where this monitor really shines is in connectivity. With built-in Thunderbolt support, you can connect your laptop using just a single cable. That one connection handles display output, data transfer, and power delivery. It simplifies your entire setup and reduces cable clutter in a big way. On top of that, it acts as a full hub. You can plug in accessories like keyboards, storage devices, and more directly into the monitor. Everything routes through one central point, making your desk cleaner and more organized. The large screen size combined with high resolution also makes multitasking incredibly efficient. You can divide your workspace into different sections and manage multiple tasks at once without needing additional monitors. It's a huge productivity boost, especially for professionals handling complex workflows. Performance overall feels fast and responsive. Whether you're editing timelines, working on documents, or browsing, the experience remains smooth and consistent. It's designed to keep up with demanding workflows without any distractions. This isn't a budget option, and it's not trying to be. It's clearly built for users who want a premium display that enhances their daily workflow. If you spend a lot of time at your desk, investing in something like this can make a real difference in both efficiency and comfort. If you're planning to upgrade your setup, you can find more details and the latest pricing through the link in the description. This is one of those monitors that doesn't rely on flashy marketing. Instead, it delivers where it matters most with sharp visuals, smooth performance, and a setup that just works.